Welcome to Arapahoe Credit Union's new online banking system. If you are a new member or a member that has not enrolled yet, here is our website. You'll click up here at Login. Then you click Enroll. And now in here is the information that you need to enroll. So you'll type in your member number, the full social of the primary member. If you are a joint member, we need the primary member's information. You'll go down here and continue. Then for the username, you need at least 6 characters, at least 1 letter, at least 1 number, and no special characters. And then for the password, you need at least 12 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. And here you'll type in that exact same password. You'll scroll down. You have to agree to the terms and conditions. You can enroll in e-statements, and you have to click on I am not a robot. Submit. And now here it will send an email for a verification code to enroll to the email we have on file for the primary member. And once you get that email code, you'll type it in right here. And then you hit submit and you can see your account.